Well, we started this process probably 5 or 6 years ago when we were looking for relocation of our North Charlotte store, and that started our process in the Charlotte area. Since then, we've completed 5 renovations and that one relocation in Charlotte over the last 3 years. So it's been a quick 3-year process of finishing off these projects. First off, we wouldn't have this opportunity if it wasn't for the partnership with La-Z-Boy Corporate, and specifically their store design team, because they have nailed this concept for us. It starts on the outside with an exterior renovation, really the facade being more cleaned up, brightened with the updated palette. So it gives the consumer a very new store exposure as they enter our premises. And then as they come in, there's some specific design to the entrance that does have a psychological play. They call it a decompression zone. And that's intentional area that's really open so that they're not bombarded with merchandise right away. I think what sets this renovation and concept apart from previous concepts, this is a timeless and seamless update. From a color palette perspective to an image perspective, there's some highlights with the brick veneer and then pops of the La-Z-Boy blue in customer care and also in the design center. And then really allows for the product to be emphasized on the floor in the vignette. One of the changes that the store design team, I think, really did a good job with is they have separated out the design center from the customer care area in this concept. And that's important because those are 2 very busy nodes on our sales floor, so that when there is a design presentation going on in the design center, it's separate and apart from the work and business that's going on in customer care area. Where there might be tickets, being closed out or finance finalized, or even help being given from a service perspective. I would say the biggest impact item that we had in this renovation was eliminating the drop ceiling. So it's made the space much more open. It feels a lot bigger. And any consumer that has been in our store in the past, it'll feel very different, a different experience for them, and it's also a different experience for our sales consultants. So it's a lot more open and roomier. One of the things that I think this new concept does for us is it really helps us emphasize our brand promises, which our customers have come to know us for, and those are our comfort, the quality of our product, the variety from a special order perspective of our product, customization level, and also the in-home design program, which is paramount to our business. A lot of effort has gone into these projects behind the scenes over the last 6 years, especially this one as of late. I mean, it's involved every facet of our company as well as corporate. It's heavy at the beginning, working with corporate and designing the floor plan and involving our merchandising team. We then transition to the actual construction with the general contractor when they're hands-on and building out the space, and on through from the accounting department to paying the bills, making sure everything's covered on that end, to reloading the space with our warehouse teams. I believe this helps us accomplish our mission in numerous ways, really. It's a better platform for our sales consultants to operate from. It really emphasizes our IHD program, which for me is the ultimate accomplishment of our mission, where we're getting into the home and offering the entire in-home experience to our consumer, soup to nuts. And that's the one thing that we can do from a La-Z-Boy perspective that a lot of our competitors can't. So we're fortunate to be able to offer that from a variety standpoint. This renovation really sets the table for us long term so that we're able to continue to offer that exceptional experience to our clients.